In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mic not working on Discord Mobile. If people can't hear you on Discord, don't worry. Most mobile mic issues come down to a few quick settings. We're going to walk through 3 simple checks: permissions on your phone, input settings inside Discord, and a restart to clear temporary glitches. Follow along on your device and you should be back to chatting in minutes. First, make sure the Discord app actually has permission to use your microphone. Open your phone settings, find your apps list, and select Discord. Tap permissions, then look for microphone. Set it to allow or allow only while using the app. Without this permission, Discord can't capture your voice at all, even if everything else looks correct. If you change the permission from deny to allow just now, fully close Discord and reopen it so the change takes effect. On some phones, you might need to toggle the permission off and back on again to refresh it. Next, adjust your input settings inside Discord itself. Open the Discord app and tap your profile picture to get to user settings, then go to voice and video. Under input mode, choose the option that matches how you want to talk. Voice activity is hands-free and will automatically pick up your voice when you speak. Push to talk requires you to press and hold a button to transmit audio. So if you select that, remember you won't be heard unless you're pressing the on-screen push to talk control while you're in a voice channel. Now look at input sensitivity. If you're not sure what to choose, turn on automatically determine input sensitivity so Discord can adjust for you. If your voice still sounds too quiet or cuts out, turn that off and move the slider slightly to the left to make it more sensitive, or to the right if it's picking up too much background noise. Make small adjustments and speak at your normal level to gauge the change. Finally, let's clear out any temporary hiccups. Close Discord completely from your recent app screen so it's not running in the background. Restart your phone to refresh the system, microphone, and audio services. When your device is back on, open Discord, join a voice channel, and speak normally to test. Many mic problems on mobile are resolved immediately after a clean restart. That's it. By confirming microphone permission, dialing in the input mode and sensitivity, and giving both Discord and your phone a fresh start, you'll fix the most common causes of a silent mic on Discord Mobile. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your voice back online.